What are the things to consider before having cosmetic dentistry done? Welcome to Advanced Dental Artistry. I'm Dr. Adrian from Advanced Dental Artistry here in West Perth, and if you're considering getting cosmetic dentistry done, it is a big decision. We just don't wake up one morning and think, okay, we should actually get cosmetic dentistry done. It's usually something that's been on our mind for a very long time, and it's a very important decision to make because cosmetic dentistry, especially porcelain veneers, last anywhere between 10 to 20 years. So it needs to be done right the first time. There are 6 things that I want you to consider when it comes to cosmetic dentistry. First is the experience and the expertise of the practice and the dentist that's actually doing the treatment. It's very important for you to be able to see cases that date back at least 10 plus years. And what this will do is, if the case is exactly the same as yours, you actually then know what the result's actually going to look like. The second thing is using dental technologies, and one of the dental technologies is actually digital smile design. And digital smile design's actually been around for quite a while now, and what it really is in a nutshell is when we're doing cosmetic dentistry, we have to analyze the face way before we analyze the teeth. And this is important because at the end we want a beautiful smile. So we've got to analyze the patient's eyes, their nose, their lips, their gums, and finally their teeth, in order to make sure that if we're doing cosmetic dentistry, the smile is beautiful. We don't just want the teeth to look beautiful, we want the smile to actually look beautiful. One of the other aspects of, and the third thing when it comes to creating a beautiful smile, is intraoral scanning. And intraoral scanning now has allowed us to scan a person's mouth and teeth in order to actually design teeth on a computer system. It's got to the point where now we can even copy natural teeth. So when a patient says, I want a beautiful natural smile, we can actually use computer software now to actually copy teeth. And this is very important when it comes to the final outcome for the patient. The fourth thing that's actually very important is actually the ceramist. And I know when you look at websites and you look at photos before and afters, you think it's the dentist that's doing the work. It's not, it's the ceramists. And the ceramists are critically important for actually their expertise and of course their artistry in order to design the most beautiful porcelain veneers. We've got 2 on-site ceramists here, and they always come up to talk to the patient. This communication is very important because the patient can talk about things like colour, shape, position of the teeth with the ceramist, and this communication will of course go all the way through to creating a beautiful smile. The 5th thing is the trial smile, and the trial smile is a very important step, and I can't emphasize this enough. You want to be able to trial run the new smile before the final porcelain is actually made. By trial running, it means that you can then give feedback. Do you like the new position of the teeth? Do you like the color? Do you like the shape of the teeth? A lot of the times you can see this on models, but it's not until it's placed in your mouth and you're smiling with your trial smile that you can actually be 100% sure that the final porcelain is going to be correct. And the 6th thing is the guarantee and the warranty when it comes to getting treatment done. Here at Advanced Dental Artistry, we give a 5-year warranty when it comes to completing your porcelain treatment. And it's very critical that we do things at the absolute highest standards. If you have any questions, please give us a ring at 1-800-SMILING. I look forward to one day seeing you in the practice.